in the beginning of yoga path, when you are doing the asanas, you will feel dizziness. Not only asanas, when you're doing pranayama also, especially intensive pranayama techniques when you do, you get dizziness. This is natural. So don't worry. What I request, don't do excessive pranayama techniques like half an hour Kapalabhati, 30 minutes Nadi Shodhana. Please don't do it. Beginning, start with 3 minutes, then 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Anything you do excess is risk. What I observed, because of excess oxygen, so that oxygen penetrates to the brain, you feel little dizziness. Even I have experienced. Absolutely natural. But as a yoga teacher, you need to tell the students, sit down, relax, ask them to lie down. They'll be all right. Yeah, don't worry. This is just normal. I should not say problem. It's a genuine thing happens in the yoga path. Yep.